The block blast glitch is a term often used within the context of gaming, particularly in puzzle or strategy games. It refers to an unintended bug or issue that disrupts the normal functioning of the game mechanics, causing blocks or game elements to behave erratically. Players may notice that blocks, which are typically meant to fall, disappear, or interact in a certain way, fail to do so due to the glitch. So this can lead to unexpected visual effects, gameplay disturbances, or even crashes in some cases. In many instances, some glitches arrive from coding errors or conflicts within the game's software. When developers release updates or patches, they sometimes unintentionally introduce bugs that affect the game's physics or algorithms. So, for example, a change made to improve block interactions might cause certain blocks to explode or behave in a manner not intended by the game designers. Although glitches like this can be frustrating for players, they often become the subject of online discussions with communities seeking workarounds or waiting for official fixes. In some rare cases, such glitches can be turned into advantageous strategies by players who discover how to exploit them. So, however, in most cases, it remains an anomaly that disrupts the experience, prompting developers to address it in future updates. Let me know if this helped.